Hey everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Today is an exciting day because we're diving deep into a game changer for car enthusiasts, the Thinkdiag OBD2 Scanner Bluetooth. If you've ever wondered about the health of your car and wanted to unlock its hidden potential, you're in the right place. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. So, what exactly is Thinkdiag? Thinkdiag is a cutting-edge OBD2 scanner that connects to your car via Bluetooth, providing a wealth of information about its performance, health, and more. It's not just a diagnostic tool, it's your car's personal doctor. Let's delve into its features, starting with key features of Thinkdiag. Wireless connectivity. One of the standout features is its Bluetooth connectivity. No more dealing with tangled wires or being limited by cable length. The wireless connection allows you to move freely around your vehicle while diagnosing and monitoring its systems. Comprehensive diagnostics. Thinkdiag doesn't just scratch the surface. It goes deep into your car's systems, providing real-time data on the engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, and more. With a vast database of diagnostic trouble codes (DTCs), it can pinpoint issues quickly and accurately. Compatibility. Thinkdiag isn't picky. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, both old and new, thanks to its support for multiple protocols. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, or a performance car, Thinkdiag has got you covered. User-friendly interface. Navigating through the Thinkdiag app is a breeze. The user-friendly interface displays information in a clear and organized manner, making it accessible even for those new to car diagnostics. Let's take a closer look at the app. The Thinkdiag app in detail. Dashboard overview. As we open the Thinkdiag app, we're greeted by a comprehensive dashboard. It gives us an at-a-glance view of crucial parameters like RPM, speed, coolant temperature, and more. It's like having a miniature control center right in your pocket. Live data streaming. Live data streaming is where Thinkdiag truly shines. You can monitor real-time data from various sensors and modules within your car. This feature is invaluable for diagnosing intermittent issues and understanding how your car behaves under different conditions. Diagnostics reports. Thinkdiag doesn't just stop at identifying issues. It provides detailed diagnostic reports. These reports not only explain the problem but also suggest potential solutions. It's like having a mechanic by your side, guiding you through the repair process. Maintenance functions. Beyond diagnostics, Thinkdiag offers various maintenance functions, from oil reset and battery registration to EPB electronic parking brake and SAS steering angle. Sensor calibration. It covers a wide range of essential services to keep your car in top-notch condition. Coding and programming. For the DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics, Thinkdiag supports coding and programming for selected car brands. This feature opens up a world of possibilities for customization and optimizing your car's performance. Remote assistance. Need help from a friend or a professional mechanic? Thinkdiag's remote assistance feature lets you share diagnostic data with others. It's a collaborative tool that brings the automotive community together. To truly understand the impact of Thinkdiag, let's explore a couple of real-world case studies. We'll walk through scenarios where Thinkdiag made a significant difference in identifying and solving complex issues, showcasing its practicality and reliability. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from actual Thinkdiag users. We've gathered testimonials from enthusiasts and mechanics who have incorporated Thinkdiag into their toolkit. Their experiences speak volumes about the device's effectiveness. Here are some pros and cons about. Pros: extensive vehicle coverage, full system diagnosis, bidirectional control, 15 special function resets, user-friendly app. Cons: software subscription required, limited support for some vehicles. Overall, the Thinkdiag OBD2 Scanner Bluetooth is a powerful and versatile diagnostic tool that is well suited for both home mechanics and professional technicians. However, it is important to be aware of the software subscription requirement and the limited support for some vehicles before making a purchase. Thank you so much for joining. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive content. and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.